Underneath the moonlight glow we ride, whispers of the night our hearts collide. Piano keys they dance on satin dreams, acoustic strums paint love in tender beams. Walking hand in hand through twilight's veil, our love's a ship, it always finds the sail. A violin serenade in silent night, your touch transforms my darkness into light. Oh, love in slow motion, our hearts beat as one. In every breath we take, a new journey's begun. Through the highs and the lows, where our souls intertwine. A couplet of warmth, where your heart stays with mine. Stardust falls like kisses from the sky, promises in every time you sigh. Melodies we hum when dawn is near, your breath against my ear is all I hear. In every fleeting moment we create a symphony of lovers' sweet embrace. Your words a gentle song inside my mind, a perfect note in every space I find. Oh, love in slow motion, our hearts beat as one. In every breath we take, a new journey's begun. Through the highs and the lows, where our souls intertwine. A couplet of warmth, where your heart stays with mine.